Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be installing ProtonVPN, one of the best options, free options available for you on the Firestick right now. But before we get into that, I've just noticed my screen is not displaying correctly. So let's do it live, as they say, and do some quick troubleshooting. Right, so let's just check help. So I have a good connection. 65% free space. What's this? Reset. Okay, I'll leave that as a last resort. Let's back out of this. Okay, we can start with probably a restart. If that does not fix it, I have a feeling there might be a update. Let's just check. Yes, there appears to be an update available. Okay, so that is probably why it is not displaying correctly. Let's just do the restart first. The restart appears to have fixed it. Okay, so even though the restart has fixed the issue, let's just install this update as well. Okay, so that is the latest version. What is a VPN and why might you need one? VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. Think of it like a secure tunnel for your internet connection. When you use a VPN, instead of connecting directly to the website, your traffic goes through the VPN servers first. Why use a VPN on your Firestick? There are three main reasons. Privacy protection. Your internet provider can't see what you are doing online. It's like putting your internet activity in a sealed envelope instead of sending it on a postcard. 2. Access more content. Some shows and movies are only available in certain countries. A VPN lets you connect to servers in different locations, so you can access content from around the world. 3. Security. VPNs encrypt your internet connection, which is especially important if you're using public Wi-Fi and want extra protection from hackers. So before we can install ProtonVPN, we will need to sign up for an account. So if you just go to your search and type in ProtonVPN and select the first link, and then we can select create account. Or sign up for free. Continue with VPN free. And then just enter in your email address and start using ProtonVPN. So once you've opened your app and click the sign in, you'll get this page which will ask you to enter in a code on your mobile device. I'll show you this now. Then on your mobile device, go to the URL protonvpn.com/TV and enter in the code on your Firestick. This will then activate your VPN software and get it connected. So once you've entered the code, you should see this screen and be able to select one of the three options depending on where you're based. I'm based in the UK, so Netherlands would be the closest one for me. To unlock the other countries, you would have to pay for one of these subscription offers. Okay, so just a quick demo. I will connect to the Netherlands servers. As mentioned, this is the closest to the UK. Once connected, you should see your IP address has changed. So as we are connected, we will just go to the home screen and select the Silk web browser. And then, as you can see, I'm on Show My IP website, and it is showing that Netherlands is my current location. So if I go back to Proton, and just disconnect, you can see the IP address has now changed. If this video has helped you out, please drop a like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.